my name is Courtney. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cardboard tube or a flexible piece of cardboard that can be used for a tube or a ramp or multiple different uses in your marble run. Thanks for following along. When you're making tubes for your marble run, you have two options. You can use something that's already a tube, like a toilet paper or paper towel roll. Or you can take a flat piece of cardboard and make incisions in it in order to make a curve. I'll show you the second way with a piece of cardboard later. First, we're going to work with the tubes to make our like a little tube for a marble run. The first thing I'm going to do is cut them in half. So now I have the three pieces that are going to make up various parts of my tube, but I want to use this box as a base. It's just a little bit thick, so I'm going to cut it down all the way before I use it as my base. Now our box is cut down just a little bit more narrow so we can glue our tube pieces to our base. Like this. So you'll need your hot glue gun now and whatever two pieces you make. I'm going to glue mine at various intervals to make drops, but there's a lot of things that you can use tubes for in your design. So this is just one example. Now I'm going to show you how to make tubes using just straight piece of cardboard and how to make a curved piece. So I just use this one because I like the black, but you can take whatever plain piece of cardboard you have, and then you're going to make little indentions down it with your scissors, just a straight line down. But you want to make sure you don't go all the way through, and then that kind of creates a bend, and then you'll do as many more of those as you want to make it as either a circle or a rectangle, whichever shape you're going for. I'm going to go for a very bendable shape, so I'm going to make lines all the way down it. So then I carefully bend each of these. And now I can make a tube if I need a tube, or I can just make an archway, or it can bend a different way and it can support another piece. So it could be glued to cardboard and then another piece of cardboard here. So now I have these flexible pieces of cardboard, and I'm going to use them to make circular supports. And you can use them for a lot of different things in your marble run. One example. Another use for the flexible pieces is to support a taller piece. So if this was the beginning of like a tower or something and I wanted it to stand up, I could put this flexible piece over here to help support it and support more weight on it. Thank you for joining me today on how to make a tube out of cardboard. I hope you learned something. Have a great time making the rest of your marble run.